went down to the Royal Infirmary. I saw my baby there. She was laid out on a cold white table, so pale, so sweet and so fair. I begged her not to take it, and definitely not 3. She said she had to protect her grandma, but now she's food for trees. Let her go, God bless her, wherever she may be. For she can search the whole world over, but she'll never find another man like me. I'd kiss her on the forehead, and she'd fall down to her knees. For she can search the whole world over, but she'll never find an anti-vaxxer like me. Yes, she can search the whole world over, she'll never find another man like me.